Hello, in this video, I will demonstrate how to utilize the Editing History Check feature in Form. Let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to your form and access the Builder section. Start by examining the editing history. As you can see, it's currently empty. Next, let's add a new field to your form, and then review the editing history once more. You'll notice that a new entry has been added to the history. Now, let's take it a step further by adding another field and modifying its label. Once again, check the editing history to see the changes recorded. For a more comprehensive test, try deleting a field, cloning another, and adding an option to a field with a list of options. The editing history will capture all of these actions. If you ever need to start fresh, you can reset the form by simply clicking on the Reset button. Thank you for watching this video.